Did you ever wonder why the AH-64 Apache has been the backbone of the United States Army's attack helicopter fleet for over 3 decades? What makes it such a formidable force on the battlefield? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of the AH-64 Apache, a sophisticated machine that has changed the face of modern warfare. The AH-64 Apache, a multi-role combat helicopter, is a marvel of engineering and design. Its twin turboshaft engines, each capable of producing up to 2,000 horsepower, provide the Apache with the power it needs to reach speeds of over 275 kilometers per hour. The Apache's maximum takeoff weight? A whopping 10,433 kilograms. At the heart of the Apache's offensive capabilities is its impressive armament. The helicopter is equipped with a 30mm M230 chain gun, capable of firing up to 650 rounds per minute. And let's not forget the aircraft's capacity to carry a mix of AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and Hydra 70 rocket pods, making it a true force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. But the Apache's power doesn't stop at its weaponry. The aircraft's advanced sensor suite, including the Target Acquisition and Designation System, Pilot Night Vision System, and the Longbow Fire Control Radar, provide unparalleled situational awareness and targeting capabilities. These systems allow the Apache to identify and engage targets at long range, even in adverse weather conditions or during the night. The Apache's airframe, designed for maximum survivability, further adds to its battlefield prowess. The helicopter's cockpit is armored with Kevlar and is resistant to rounds up to 23mm. The rotor blades, too, are designed to withstand hits from ground fire. The AH-64 Apache is not just a war machine, it's a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. From its powerful engines to its advanced sensor systems, each component of the Apache is meticulously designed and engineered to provide unmatched performance on the battlefield. In summary, the AH-64 Apache is a sophisticated multi-role combat helicopter, powered by twin turboshaft engines and armed with a formidable array of weaponry. Its advanced sensor systems provide unparalleled situational awareness and targeting capabilities, while its robust airframe offers maximum survivability. The Apache stands as a powerful symbol of the United States Army's commitment to maintaining battlefield superiority, and a testament to the advancements in military technology over the past decades. So, the next time you hear the distinctive thumping of an Apache's rotor blades, remember the intricate design and powerful capabilities that lie beneath its formidable exterior. This is the AH-64 Apache, a war machine of unprecedented sophistication and power.